This video is for celebrations of 10K. Tại một xã ai tuy cho ông tỏ là ông không về ạ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have pork meat for celebrations of 10K subscriber, and I'm adding potato. Today pork will be good, and lastly I'm adding bamboo shoot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to have pork and potato and bamboo shoot. Let me show my greens. This is basil and lettuce, cucumber, garlic and salt, and andros Sprite. Okay, let's pray. Amen. Okay, let's get started. This is under wine. Kapase lure. It's not a wine, it's just a water. Okay. Mati juti vom mi na ta le. Ko vom na ka la vom be ki. Vom nei thang nu ki sok da. Sorry about my face because I went to our village and my face become black. Hey, bọn mày mày chưa? Tôi đổ lại. Let's start with cucumber, okay? Tôi kịp bỏ bắn ngay cả. Ăn tôi có hút bố mà. I love boiling water. This video is for celebrations of 10K. Bằng cái lẽ. I don't know why it's so yummy. Một sai đi tới lui cho. Anh nên lâu cho hai mày. This is my lettuce garden. Khua chỉ có lần pi lập thôi nè. Potato. Tui tụ. Một xã ai tuy cho ông tỏ là ông không về ạ. This is basil vibe. Chính tăng kiếm cái black rồi. Let me show you how tribal eat buns. We'll suck out all that bone raw. This is so yummy. That's it. How we eat. This bamboo shoot is from our village. I think this all greens, sorry, are from my garden. Can't live without water. Ito yung muli. Tweak people the best. That's the best. We went to our village and become black, you know, because there are a lot of work to do, no time for rest and no time for editing video. So I know because of that my views are down, but from now we are going to edit beautifully again. Samsure ani laya. Kung druma po man ka. Kaya kita ba kang ga. Tuksa la lip ya. Judy how ni. Oh, butchok na. This is tabi. Alu가, 우사가, 소금, 통분해줘. 하우버세. 황들에. 새우 토다이죠, 사구이죠. I love fetch more than buns. Don't complain about my looks, okay? I know. Nghe đi làm ta sẽ. Kaya nang ko ito siya. Ai mizo trong ạ, có sẽ lâu nữa cho. Cảnh sát trong cái mà ní trong là chọn best cái ta mà. Thật chút ai tin ang. Because of this, I didn't take garlic anymore because they thắc chịu không à? Xong mình lên rồi. Rốt quay. Today my food is very spicy. I think because of that, this also. Finish. Anh hạn nó sudah kikit pot dah.
Oh yeah.
Because of this mukbang, I'm becoming fat. Don't compare this video with that previous video, okay? Because all my skin tone are changed. Thật nữa. Because of the sunburn. Tu tengok kalau lagi botol naik posik so tu go zulau ha. Pretend nama som tantin. Please pray for a rain because we cannot plant rice anymore because of no water in our area. Thì mày đang tiêu chú làm có làm sai rồi chứ bỏ thảo sâu chứ cái này lẽ tung ấm không? Cái làm chú cái này tung rồi chứ. Bởi mà tung gội chứ đã. Tao không phải lụt thì rồi. Because of that, please pray for a rain to fall to our area so that we can plant rice. Hơi more than chứ. Stone killer ki banga. Okay. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing my channels, and this mukbang is for our 10K celebration, and you guys are so good, so good. Talaga sa again itang no more English in my brain, so is enough for me. Okay, let's end it here. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and you can comment down below something that mingol teka ba. Anyway, anong hekit di ba mai ka pe ngay lo.